Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I would like to break down about the different part in the investment banking, and particularly what is difference between front office, middle office and back office in a bank. If you're starting your career in finance or just want to understand how bank operate behind the scene, then this video exactly for you. And if you're new here, I am business analyst, I'm working in investment banking, and I'm also MBA and CGL qualified. First things first, so why all of the banks and investment firms use those terms? Well, because of banks are huge organizations. To keep things efficient, they divide their work in three main parts. We can say front office is the face of the bank, middle office is the brain of the bank, and back office is a backbone of a bank. And each of them play a critical role in investment firm. So let's start with the front office. So front office, we can say it's the division of the bank where money are made. Those are the teams that directly work with the clients, generate revenue, and also working in the fast-paced environments. Some of the examples can include traders. Those will be people who are selling and buying financial instruments like bonds, FX products, or maybe stocks. Then we can have also investment bankers. So those are the people who will be, for example, helping the client to raise the money or maybe working on the merger and acquisition deals. Sell people who talk to the clients and offer the products. Then we also have relationship manager. Those will be the people who work with the huge, maybe institutional clients or the hedge funds. So basically, if someone is making the deals, offering products or talking to our clients, we can say those people are working in the front office part of the investment banking. The next we have middle office, the people who don't talk to the clients most of the time, but they support front office to make sure that everything running efficiently and legally. Some of the middle office roles will include risk management, so they basically check in if trades follow the bank risk limits. Then we have product control, they are validating the trade profit and losses. Compliance team who are basically making sure rules and regulation are followed. Then we can have data management, maintaining clean, reliable data for trading and reporting. And of course, I can say there is business analysts, people like me, who translate business needs into technical solutions. And finally, we have a back office department. So those people making sure that everything also working and running smoothly behind the scene. So usually they will be the people who are responsible for handling trade settlement. So here they are making sure that the money and securities are exchanged properly. Then we have clearing and confirmation, verifying all the trade details. And the last but not the least, we can also include people who work with an HR, finance or legal. So those are the core function to support entire organizations. So how all of those three divisions work together? Let's look at the real life example. So we have a trader who is part from the front office and he is making a deal to buy a $10 million worth of bond. The risk team for middle office, they will have to make sure that that deal actually fit the bank's risk profile. The operation teams from back office, they will have to make sure that the deal is processed and settled and the client receive the bonds and the money get transferred. So if you're currently wondering, so which section of the investment banking it would be the most suitable for you, then I would suggest look from this perspective. If you love fast-paced decision making and client interaction, that may be front office is for you. If you like analysis, problem solving and making sure that everything under control, that I would suggest do more research about the middle office divisions. And if you enjoy system process improvements, that definitely back office is something that you will be enjoy the most. All three divisions are so important and one cannot exist without others. So now you know the difference between front office, middle office and back office divisions in investment banking. Front office we have revenue generators, middle office we have risk and support, and back office we have infrastructure and operations. And if you enjoyed this video, you might also like this one, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And thank you very much for watching me, and see you in the next video.